Welcome to MX Serve, the smarter way to find and book everyday services around you. The user journey begins right here on the home page, designed to be clean, responsive, and personalized from the moment you arrive. At the top, users can see and set their location, which helps the platform tailor all results to nearby service providers. Just beside it, the interface presents three simple tabs: Home, Categories, and Services, making it easy to jump between different browsing modes. Towards the right, you will find the accessible search bar, ideal for quickly looking up services. Alongside this are key action buttons, notifications, offers, cart, menu, and my bookings. Each of these ensures users can manage their activities, appointments, and account settings with just a tap. As we scroll down the page, the user is greeted with a clean display of service categories like pest control, remodeling, and home services. These tiles act as a gateway to a wide range of solutions tailored to both urgent and routine household needs. Just below, we move into personalized discovery. The platform dynamically shows popular services based on trending bookings in the user's area, followed by a recommended services for you section that suggests options based on browsing history or previous engagements. If a user has already explored a few options, they'll also see a recently viewed services section for quick access back to those listings. Further down, the interface becomes more interactive. Each major service category is featured again, this time with horizontally scrollable previews. These slider-style layouts showcase a few hand-picked services within each group, encouraging deeper exploration without overwhelming the user. And finally, for those who prefer a broader view, the bottom section of the home screen lays out all listed services in one place. This comprehensive display ensures that nothing is missed and lets users freely browse everything MX Serve offers. Overall, the homepage delivers a strong first impression. It's built to be both familiar and powerful, allowing users to easily discover services, revisit past searches, and take action all within a few swipes. Once a user has logged into MX Serve, booking a service is quick, intuitive, and thoughtfully guided every step of the way. From the moment they arrive at the home page, users are presented with several paths to reach the service they need. They might begin by browsing through the visible categories displayed on the main screen, scrolling through recommended sections, or simply using the search bar to type in the service they are looking for. However they choose to navigate, the process is designed to be effortless and responsive. When a user finds what they are looking for, they click into the service to learn more. This opens a detailed view featuring a service overview as well as reviews from other users. This insight helps users feel confident and informed before moving forward. From this screen, users have the option to add the service to the cart. Upon clicking that button, a window opens allowing them to select specific services related to that category, whether choosing one or several. The system allows users to add multiple services from this window, all with just a few clicks. With their selection made, the user is directed to the cart, where they can review the service they have added. Everything is neatly listed, allowing for a final check or any last-minute edits. Once they are ready, they can proceed by clicking on Proceed to Checkout. This leads them to the checkout process, beginning with a screen dedicated to booking details. Here they specify a preferable time of service delivery, define the service area, and review a cart summary. At the bottom, the total price is displayed clearly, giving users a transparent view of what they are about to pay. Moving forward, the next screen is focused on payment. Users are presented with options for how they would like to complete the transaction. They can choose to pay after service using cash or using the wallet feature within the platform. Alternatively, they can select from online payment options which include providers like Stripe, Razorpay, and others. These options offer flexibility and security tailored to suit user preferences. Once a payment method is selected and user confirms, the booking is completed. A confirmation screen appears with a unique booking ID, giving users a reference for future tracking or communication. They are then offered a simple choice to go back to the home page, letting them continue browsing or manage their account as needed. And just like that, the service is booked. For ongoing access and updates, user can always navigate to My Bookings from the top right corner of the screen. This section helps them to track services, check appointment status, and manage any active requests with ease. The entire booking experience on MXServe is built to be seamless, reliable, and user-focused, empowering customers to get the help they need without complication or delay. Now that we've seen the user experience, let's move into the heart of MXServe from the perspective of a service provider. This is where professionals manage their business activities, track performance, and maintain day-to-day operations, all from a powerful, intuitive dashboard built specifically for their needs. Upon logging into the provider account, the first thing that greets the service partner is a provider dashboard. This space acts as a control hub, presenting all relevant data and tools in a single unified layout. It's where insight meets action, helping providers stay on top of their business with clarity and confidence. At the top of the dashboard, a set of business analytics widgets gives a snapshot of providers' operational footprint. Here, providers can quickly understand the scale of their engagement on the platform, whether that's their accumulated earnings, the volume of their active subscriptions, the number of service personnel linked with their account, or the total number of bookings successfully served. These figures update in real time and are presented in a clean, digestible format, giving providers instant access to the metrics that matter most. Just below this section, a graphical earnings chart presents financial performance over time. Structured year by year, this visual tool helps providers identify trends, evaluate growth, and plan for future based on real-world performance data. The graph is dynamic and readable, providing a high-level understanding of income patterns throughout the seasons. To the right, the dashboard highlights recent financial transactions, allowing providers to review incoming payments and outgoing deductions in one place. This section helps with bookkeeping and ensures complete transparency, giving providers an easy way to keep their financial records accurate and current. Next, there's an area dedicated to recent booking activity. This includes a list view of all the latest service appointments, showing both the frequency and nature of client interactions. Accompanying this is a visual breakdown, represented by a ring chart, which compares normal and customized bookings. This allows providers to better understand client preferences and adjust their offerings accordingly. Also featured on the dashboard is a panel labeled My Subscriptions. This section offers quick visibility into the provider's current service packages, along with a record of their platform engagement plans. Whether renewing, upgrading, or managing subscriptions, all related actions are easily accessible from here. Rounding out the dashboard's main area is the serviceman list, a compiled view of all assigned personnels working under the provider's umbrella. Alongside the main dashboard content, to the left of the screen is the primary navigation menu, a vertical sidebar offering streamlined access to every essential area of the provider control panel. Each category is logically grouped to ensure seamless workflow for business users. The menu begins with a direct link back to the main dashboard, allowing providers to return to their overview panel at any time with a single click. Below that is the section dedicated to booking management. This area focuses on handling and organizing all client service appointments. Providers can monitor the status of upcoming bookings, view history, and manage schedules with ease, all through an interface designed to simplify complex workflows. Next is the help and support section. Here, providers can interact with the platform's internal support tools, whether it's solving a query, seeking platform guidance, or following up with a client issue. Support resources are just a step away. Real-time chat interfaces and message threads ensure that communication remains open and efficient. The service management area gives providers comprehensive control over the services they offer. This includes managing availability, responding to service requests, and monitoring any subscriptions linked to specific service categories. It's the operational core of the provider experience, where offerings can be refined, expanded, or optimized based on demand. Further down, the promotion management section offers tools for visibility and outreach. Providers looking to boost their presence on the platform or highlight particular services can use these tools to configure and monitor advertising campaigns or promotional content. The user management section is centered around team coordination. This is where providers can view and organize their associated service personnel, helping to delegate responsibilities, manage availability, and ensure a smooth delivery of service to end clients. The account management area holds all critical business identity information, from general account details to payment and banking configurations. This section helps providers maintain a professional and verified profile on the platform. Following that, the reports and analytics section compiles business data into structured downloadable formats. Whether it's service performance, booking behavior, or financial trends, this area allows providers to generate detailed reports for analysis, strategy, or compliance purposes. Finally, the system management area deals with broader business level controls. Here, providers can define operational settings, manage business plans, and set up their preferred channels for receiving system notifications. These settings shape how the provider's business is structured and how it communicates internally and externally through the platform. Altogether, the provider dashboard and its navigation system empowers service professionals with a complete suite of tools to grow and manage their business. From analytics to support, from service creation to earnings tracking, every corner of the platform is designed to be actionable, intuitive, and scalable. MXServe ensures that providers not only deliver great services, but do so with confidence, control, and full visibility. Now that we've explored the provider experience, let's walk through the journey of a serviceman, the professional on the ground who uses the MXServe mobile application to fulfill jobs efficiently and reliably. The flow begins as soon as a user books a service and the provider accepts the request. Once the provider reviews and approves the booking, they proceed to assign a serviceman from their team to handle the task. At that moment, the serviceman's role is activated, and everything from this point onwards is managed through the dedicated mobile app. The serviceman using their smartphone receives a push notification directly within the app. This notification signals a new job assignment and promotes them to review the request. Upon opening the application, they are presented with the key information needed to prepare details such as service type, the location, and the expected time of delivery. The interface is simple, intuitive, and focused entirely on the essentials, allowing the serviceman to absorb the details quickly and take action. Once the serviceman reviews the information and confirms the job, they begin travel to the client's location to perform the service. The mobile application continues to guide them through the process, keeping everything centralized and accessible on their device. Upon reaching the destination and beginning the work, the serviceman uses the app to update the status of the job to ongoing. This step ensures that the provider and the user are both informed in real time that the service is now in progress. This live status update not only enhances transparency but also builds trust among all the parties involved. While the service is being fulfilled, the app stays in the background, ready when needed. The servicemen can focus on the task at hand, knowing that everything they need to report and track their work is just a tap away. The platform avoids unnecessary complexity and empowers the professional to move through their responsibilities smoothly and without interruption. Once the service is completed, the next step is to finalize the booking. Before doing so, the serviceman ensures that the payment has been received. This may be cash directly from the client, or it might be settled through online payment methods such as wallet balance or third-party gateways. The app makes it easy to verify the payment method selected during booking and confirm that the transaction is settled. After payment is confirmed, the serviceman proceeds to the final step in the flow. With a quick action in the mobile app, they mark the service as completed. This single update brings the booking full circle. The request is now closed and the system reflects that the job has been successfully fulfilled. The user receives a notification confirming completion and the provider sees the task logged as delivered. This entire flow from job assignment to service delivery and final status update is carried out smoothly through the MXServe Serviceman mobile application. It's a compact yet powerful tool that simplifies the day-to-day operations of service professionals, reducing overhead and keeping everything right at their fingertips. By focusing on ease of use, real-time communication, and clear status tracking, the mobile app empowers servicemen to perform with greater speed and precision. It removes guesswork, eliminates miscommunication, and gives professionals the confidence that their part of the process is fully supported every step of the way. MX Serve's mobile-first approach ensures that the last mile of service delivery is just as organized and professional as the digital booking that initiated it. It connects clients, providers, and field professionals in a single efficient loop, seamlessly bridging technology and real-world service. The final segment of the MX Serve experience brings us into the admin panel, the core operational center from which the entire platform is supervised and maintained. While the visual layout echoes that of the provider interface, the contents here are uniquely tailored for platform level governance. This panel empowers administrators to keep the system balanced, the community engaged, and the business functioning efficiently. Upon logging in, the admin is taken directly to a structured and visually informative dashboard. At the top of the screen are performance-focused widgets that provide a high-level financial snapshot of the business. This includes total earning, commission earning, total fee earning, and a count of registered providers. These figures offer immediate context into how the platform is performing overall, separating general income from administrative or commission-based revenues and providing a quick glance at the growing network of service partners. Beneath these performance tiles is a clean and interactive earning statistics graph presented on a yearly scale. This visual component tracks the platform's income trend over time, mapping out both the platform's gross earnings and the admin's commission share. It's a simple yet powerful representation that helps the administrator understand how revenue sources evolve month by month. To the right of the dashboard, a dynamic recent transactions feed lists the most current financial activity. This area provides transparency into the flow of payments, giving administrators visibility into how funds are moving within the system. It keeps them updated on the pace and volume of incoming and outgoing transactions without needing to dig through complex reports. Moving lower down the dashboard, 3 informative blocks offer additional insight. The top provider section surfaces the most active and engaged service partners on the platform. This snapshot helps admins identify trends and acknowledge performance. Alongside this, recent bookings provide a live look at user activity, showcasing demand across service categories. Finally, the booking statistics section provides a compact yet meaningful overview of how services are being requested and completed. Together, these sections help administrators stay in tune with both the provider network and customer behavior. To the left of the screen is the admin navigation panel, a structured menu of all tools and control systems necessary for managing platform operations. This vertical sidebar groups tasks by theme, allowing admins to move between categories quickly and logically. The navigation begins with main, which leads back to the dashboard overview. This central reference point keeps things grounded, offering a single-click return to the platform's operational pulse. Next is the booking management, where all active, pending, and historical bookings are visible and manageable. This section keeps the flow of services transparent and allows administrators to stay informed on engagement levels across the board. Following that is promotion management. This is the hub of all marketing tools and user engagement strategies. It includes access to discounts, coupons, wallet bonuses, campaigns, advertisements, promotional banners, and the ability to send notifications to users and providers alike. This area supports brand visibility, encourages repeat bookings, and drives traffic through targeted offers. Another key section is provider management. This area allows administrators to oversee the service partner side of the platform. It includes access to onboarding requests, the active provider list, and records of withdrawals. This gives admins a complete picture of provider lifecycle management, from application to financial disbursement. Then there's service management, the structural core of how offerings are defined and organized. Within this area, admins manage service zone setup, categories, and services themselves, ensuring the platform stays up to date, relevant, and aligned with user demand. Customer management comes next, focusing on the user base. Here, admins can access information about registered customers, track their wallet balances, and manage loyalty points earned or spent on the platform. These features support engagement, retention, and service personalization. The panel also includes employee management, a crucial area for internal team oversight. Within this section, roles can be defined and managed with access to tools for employee role setup, maintaining an employee list, and adding new employees as needed. It's the space for organizing administrative staff, access, and responsibilities. The transaction management section provides a full history of all financial activities under all transactions. This supports bookkeeping, audits, and platform accountability, all from one reliable location. To better understand business health and trends, the Reports and Analytics section offers structured insights. With access to reports and analytics, this area provides administrators with the data they need to evaluate performance, make strategic decisions, and monitor growth over time. There's also a section labeled System Add-on, which allows for modular management of optional platform features. This helps extend functionality as business needs evolve without impacting the core system. Finally, at the base of the sidebar is System Management. This is the administrative backbone where technical settings and broader configurations are handled. This includes setting management, subscription management, landing page settings, general configurations, page settings, and platforms gallery, and the ability to back up the database. These tools provide the flexibility to adjust the user interface, protect platform data, and control how the platform behaves behind the scenes. Together, the admin panel of MXServe offers a complete environment for running a robust, service-focused business. It brings clarity to operations, simplifies complex management tasks, and equips administrators with the tools they need to keep the platform scalable, secure, and responsive to users and providers alike. And that brings us to the end of the MXServe platform walkthrough. From seamless user experiences and intuitive booking flows to powerful provider dashboards, responsive mobile tools for service professionals, and an all-encompassing admin panel, MXServe is designed to empower every role in the service ecosystem. Whether you are connecting with customers, managing operations, or delivering hands-on expertise, the platform ensures clarity, efficiency, and control at every step. Thank you for watching this demo. To learn more, get started, or schedule a personalized tour, visit us at mxserve.mymeld.com. Your smart service network begins here with MXServe.